Hello everyone, I am Shrutika Katkar and today's video topic is a method calling and a method return type in a Java. And today's date is the 2nd March 2022. A Java method is a collection of statements that are grouped together to perform a operation. When you call the system.out.println method, for example, the system actually executes server statements in order to display a message on the console. Now you will learn how to create your own method with or without return values. Invoke a method without parameters and apply method abstraction in the program. Design method calling for using a method. It should be called. There are two way in which which method is called. That is method return a value or returning nothing, no return value. The process of a method calling is simple. When a program invoke a method, the program control get transferred to the called method. This called method then return control to the caller into conditions. When the return statement is executed, it reach the method ending closing brace. The method returning void is considered as a call to a statement. Let's consider an example. System.out.println double quote. This is tutorialspoint.com bracket complete semicolon. The method returning value can be understood by the following example. Int result is equal to sum curly brace 6, 9 semicolon. The void keyword allow us to create methods which do not return a void method which does not return any value. Call to a void method must be a statement that is method rank point. It is a Java statements which end with a semicolon as shown in the following example. Passing parameters by value while working under calling process. Arguments is to be passed up. This should be in the same order as their respective parameters. In the method specification, parameters can be passed by value or by reference. Passing parameters by value means calling a method with a parameter. Through this, the argument value is passed to the parameter. Method overloading, when a class has two or more methods by the same name but different parameter. It is known as a method overloading. It is different from overriding. In the overloading, a method has the same method name, type, number of parameters, etc. Let's consider the example discussed earlier for finding minimum number of an integer type. Let's say we want to find the minimum number of a double type. When the concept of overloading will be introduced to create two or more methods with the same name but different parameters. Using command line arguments, sometimes you will want to pass some information into a program when you run it. This is accomplished by passing command line arguments to main. A command line argument is the information that directly follows the program's name on the command line when it is executed. To access the command line arguments inside a Java program is quite easy. They are stored as a string in the string array passed to main. Thus, this keyword This is a keyword in Java which is used as a reference to the object of the current class within in an instance method or a constructor. Thank you.